You ran a full cycle, opened the door expecting clean dishes, and everything inside is still covered in food. That is not a dishwasher problem. That is a maintenance problem, and it is completely your fault. Pull out the bottom rack and remove the filter sitting at the base of the tub. It is absolutely packed with trapped food debris and grease. Wash it under hot water with a brush until completely clean. Check the spray arms for clogged holes and clear everyone with a toothpick. Run a hot empty cycle with a dishwasher cleaner tablet. Open the door. Spotless dishes every single time from now on.